open them up.
Now remember, it says eat one piece, and then a minute, and then consume the rest of the bag.
Is that what it says on the League of Fire?
That's what it says on the League of Fire when you look at the challenge. Man, this stuff is green.
So you have to eat one piece and then wait 1 minute?
It says eat one kernel, wait 1 minute. If you could handle the heat, then consume the rest of the bag, and then a 4-minute afterburn.
What the I didn't know all that. That's weird.
It's to let the heat sit in, bud.
All right, so we got 1 minute after one kernel.
Look at that.
All right, everybody get one kernel ready. Here we go. Sorry about that. One kernel. And eat it. Okay. Ah. 1 minute. It's going right
Oh
now.
man, that tastes like candy.
1 minute, one at a time?
No.
Oh, I was about to
It
say,
says-
this is stupid as hell.
It says to eat one kernel, wait 1 minute. If you can handle the heat, finish the bag.
That's hot too.
No shit.
That's fucking hot. Like
Holy shit, that's hot.
it just builds. It's like, okay, at first it's like, all right. Wow,
Why
that's
is it,
that's
why
from
is it
one.
building so much?
Yeah, one little fucking kernel of popcorn is just like so hot.
Wow.
I'm gonna eat that back.
Wow. Why is it so spicy?
Man, yeah, it's good. I like it though.
All right. That's 1 minute. All right, guys. Now, if you want to continue, finish the rest of the bag. If you don't want to continue, put the bag down. Okay. Ah!
Oh,
You get a kernel?
yeah. Oh my god.
Ah!
You doing it?
Ah!
I should not be doing this challenge right now with my
Bro, I don't know why you are. Even from that one, my stomach is flipping the fuck out.
He ain't eating them?
No.
I knew it.
Ah! Ah!
Those smell
Ah!
weird, like mint. Are they
Ah!
minty? Do you need a bowl? Are you gonna throw up? I'm gonna get you a bowl.
Ah! I don't like it. Ah! Ah!
Holy shit! It's like never ending.
Yeah, I hope you guys hurt real bad from that.
Ah!
Got like 3 more pieces. You're fine.
Ah!
You're fine.
Empty bag.
Man,
Where's your phone?
You next to me? What do you need?
4 minutes.
Tell me when.
Go. We'll start a new timer for you, Midge. Keep going.
Bro,
Do I need a second timer? I
Yeah.
can start a second one.
I need you to start a second one when Midge
Yeah.
shows his mouth.
you guys, I hope you guys burn. My stomach hurts so bad, even just from that one little piece.
Midge looks like he's questioning his life choices right now.
my eyes are burning.
Thanks, Ryan. Thanks, Ryan.
Ugh.
How are you guys feeling?
Need my chapstick.
It's hot.
Use your words.
What is this?
It's hot.
You done? She's not done. 3 minutes. 1 minute down.
It's hot. Ugh.
My eyes are on fire. I don't know if I got dust in them or what, but
You did.
It's hot.
Did you do this?
Doobie. What is that?
Oh, wow.
That's hot.
Are you a bad boy? Are you bad?
Ah!
Get it. Eat it. Oh.
Bad dog.
So I got some in my beard.
What weird?
Let me know when you're ready, Midge. Show me an open mouth. I'm
I
watching.
don't know where it went. A little tiny piece.
What is that?
Ah!
I know it was him because he's the only one that can like do that to a chapstick.
Do you see it anywhere?
I can't see anything. I'm looking at Midge.
I don't see it. Ah!
How is
all right.
There you go.
Yeah.
4 minutes.
Man, I got tears running down my face.
Good job, guys. Good job.
There's your timer.
Way to get it.
With that light in the freaking way. You
Ah!
have a minute and a half left.
Man, that's hot. That's a good challenge. I like that.
Ah!
Oh, I wish I had toilet paper too. Shit.
Ah!
You need like a partner in crime, bro.
Ah!
Ah,
That's a hot bag of popcorn.
that's hot. Yeah.
Scoot back, you can find that piece. It's gone. I honestly think that our stupid volume.
Your brother. Count to 10 with Ryan, guys.
Okay.
50 seconds.
Blah!
Midge, you have 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes left.
Ah!
Uh,
Ah! Ah! Wow.
33 seconds.
Wow.
Pretty hot,
yeah.
You could have done it.
You could have done it, Brandon.
huh? I'm good though. I just worked all day and I'm tired and I haven't eaten anything and all the excuses.
Yeah, I was gonna say all I hear is
Almost every time we do a challenge, there's excuses.
Yeah.
It's okay. He'll do it how he wants.
Ah!
Yeah.
There you go.
Fuck.
Here's the end of this timer for Zach.
All right.
Ugh.
Done.
Woo!
2 minutes for Midge.
Yeah, drink a Killer Queen too, Brandon.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Sip. That's a hot little bag of popcorn.
Yeah, it is.
That's close.
And it's still climbing right now for me.
This is even like this is a big company.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Wow.
It's just getting hotter.
Yeah.
You can drink now, though.
Wow.
Yeah, Ian. It's good though, man. It tastes really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really beautiful popcorn.
It's sweet.
It's sweet.
It is sweet. All right, Midge, you got 1 minute left.
All right.
Pretty good.
Can I have a piece of pizza?
Yeah.
Good burn. Solid burn on the double
Yeah.
seat popcorn.
What is for dinner? Oh, Subway.
Yeah.
Huh.
Ian, they have them on Amazon.
30 seconds.
But if you're better off just buying from manufacturer.
Yeah, they have a code on the website right now for free
Yeah.
shipping.
What's that?
Yeah, it makes it a little bit.
Dude, I know that. Did you just get it?
No.
Oh.
Ugh.
All right, man. Ready? 5, 4,
3.
2, 1.
Well,
You're good.
Good job, Eric.
Good job, Midge.
Thank you. You too.